guys, 'tis the season. We're having so much fun today with all new Dollar Tree ideas you're gonna want to try around your house this holiday. They are brand new gift ideas that you're actually going to want to give to others. And what's more, today's video is sponsored by Cricut, which 'tis the season. It means one of you is going to win one too. Let's jump into it. First up, I love advent calendars, but they get so expensive. There are punch advent calendars you can buy now, which are so fun for the kids. And today we're gonna make a DIY version using all Dollar Tree products. Get some solo cups from the dollar store along with a big poster board and fill them with all sorts of Dollar Tree candy. I had so much fun picking this out.
And for $1, they have 10 pieces of tissue paper, nice and sparkly. This is perfect.
Then grab some Dollar Tree tissue paper and rubber bands and put them over the cups. And we're gonna make this in a shape of a tree on a foam core board, also from Dollar Tree. I use my Cricut Explore 3, and I'm also giving one away to one of you. I feel like Cricut is one of those things that you look at and think, man, I could never actually do these DIYs, but the interface makes it so easy. It gives you tons of ideas right in Design Studio. All you have to do is find a pre-made template to insert, or type in whatever you want to say, group the images, just follow the machine's prompts, push the button to insert your mat, and then you're gonna press go. It will cut it all for you. Take this right out of the machine by pressing the release button, and now you're going to peel away your vinyl. This is my favorite part, doing all of the weeding. Then take some Cricut transfer tape, peel the backing off, and stick it on top. Give it a quick rub, and then the vinyl is going to stick to the transfer tape and you can put it directly on your project. This is so fast and relaxing, and there are so many customizable options. I decided to put this right at the top of the foam core board, and I even added some numbers right to the cups. I hot glued this onto the board. It looks like a Christmas tree, and I added some Dollar Tree little feet down below. The kids absolutely love this one, and I made it for just a few dollars.
There's a whole box here of all of these over the chair covers. This is so cute for Christmas morning to put on the back of the chair, and we're gonna personalize it.
A brand new product Dollar Tree carries this year are oversized Santa hats, and the quality on these, I was not expecting much. They are awesome. Cricut also has iron-on vinyl, and you cut it out in the same way. These would also make really good gift ideas for teachers or your teacher's kids. I can't wait for the boys to see this on Christmas morning. And use the code DIME10 through December 31st to get 10% off and free shipping on machines at Cricut.com. I'll be sure to link it down below. This is one of my favorite DIYs. You've got to try it this season, a holiday card organizer. All you need is some really cute ribbon from the Dollar Tree. They stepped up their game this year. I decided to use 2 pieces of ribbon and hot glue them together.
Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long. Though we text every
And then I took door hangers, they've got bells on them, and I glued it to either end of the ribbon, and I set it over the door. This looks incredible. Then take clothespins and you can stick all of your holiday cards on it, and I love the little jingle when you open and close the door. Definitely try this one and tag me on social. The wood products knocked it out of the park this year at Dollar Tree. Pick a couple up to make a DIY coffee station.
Oh my goodness, I love stroop waffles. These are so good. I'm gonna grab a couple of these and this little wooden piece for a hot cocoa bar.
I didn't even paint this and hardly added any embellishments and filled it with all dollar store treats. They have some really high-end candies this year, spoon stirring sticks, name brands, and I love that they have cocoa bombs too. You can make something like this for under $10.
oh, when I got you by my side. What a night.
Speaking of consumable gifts, they had giant jars this year at Dollar Tree. This is the first time I had ever seen them. Put all the ingredients inside so somebody can make cookies, and then they can keep the jar afterward. I went ahead and personalized it. This makes a great teacher gift idea and is so beautiful. I'll be sure to link the recipe down below. Another amazing score this year for just $1 are their travel mugs. And the great thing is, this comes with an insert so you can put in a picture. Print this off for just a few cents from your local CVS or Walgreens. Pop this inside. It makes a great grandparent gift idea or a great one for a friend. And of course, we've got to talk about gift baskets in this video. I love going to the organizing section to pick these out.
I love these. Super awesome for the holiday time and a great gift basket idea.
You can really dress this up, just put some tissue paper down below and make this for under $10. And can we talk about the fact Dollar Tree now has Caboodles? And this is the time of year you're gonna see some higher end products for hair supplies and even makeup. Pick a few of these up to fill a caboodle for just a couple of dollars. You can monogram it too. I did that using my Cricut. This is the best gift idea for a teen or tween.
Look for these fun name brands on the end cap. They've got fashion nails. These emoji nails are so fun.
Why, but this one might be one of my favorites of the video. They have these adorable glasses at Dollar Tree this year. They are so cute, already done for you. Take some fuzzy socks, roll them up inside, combine it with a fun puzzle. They have Bob Ross puzzles this year. I totally had to buy some. This would make an amazing gag gift or just a great gift on its own. Tell me in the comments down below, if you received this gift, would you not be really excited? No mistakes, just happy accidents. Another really unique gift idea was some of the wood rounds you can find at Dollar Tree. I actually got this serve tray from TJ Maxx, but you can personalize this with your Cricut into a tic-tac-toe board. Then take some stones from the Dollar Tree and give them a quick coat of spray paint. You can make them look like little bugs. I did bees and ladybugs. This would make an incredible gift idea for just a couple of dollars. So cute to display. It's one of those DIYs you can't mess up. The Explorer 3 is such a great machine, and if you want to enter to win one, all you have to do is leave me a comment down below. It's been so fun shipping these to you guys from my previous videos. I love doing giveaways just like this one. And don't forget to use the code DIME10 to get 10% off of your Cricut machine. My friend, if nobody has told you today, you are enough. Happy holidays, and I will catch you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe, so I'll see you there. Bye!
I have this thing with motion activated stuff, like it gives me so much anxiety when I walk by it. I'm like, I can't do it.